Hi there, I'm supposed to send you a video of my air conditioner. There it is. It's on auto, which turned the fan to auto. It's set to 17. I took the grill part of the door off so you could see that the filter is clean and it's not blowing cold air out. It does periodically for maybe a minute or two at a time, but the temperature in here, as we're in the 4th floor, is 28 degrees in the room, so it's very, very hot. And it is plugged into the wall directly. If you can see, I have to show you in behind, and hold on. And hold on. There it is. You see it? There it is, plugged into the wall itself. So hopefully I don't have to show you anything else, as I would just like somebody to please come and fix it as per the warranty. Okay, thank you. And it is cooling a bedroom, and it's been doing a great job for 2 years. And then I use this fan on the ground to circulate the air, and it blows it down into our living room. So please respond back as soon as you can so that this can be fixed. There it is again. Okay, and here's a close-up of the controls. There you have it. I had done the 10 minutes unplugged as well. That did nothing. Okay, thank you. Bye.